Hello, I'm Schuyler Rogg, and I'm a board certified and fellowship trained pain management specialist with Mid Michigan's Spine and Pain Program. As part of this comprehensive program, I work collaboratively with other members of the specialized team to provide a balanced approach to pain treatment that focuses on restoring patients to the functions of their daily lives. I went into the field of pain medicine because I wanted to help individuals improve their overall functionality, mental outlook, and quality of life. Our treatment plans incorporate a variety of modalities, including physical therapy, minimally invasive interventional procedures, and medication management when appropriate. Patient satisfaction and continuity of care are extremely important to me. I work hard to build strong relationships with my patients so that I can better understand their unique challenges and needs. My goal and overall goal of our program is to provide patients with safe, evidence-based pain relief solutions.